Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create a Selenium project from scratch and write our first Selenium automation script. If you are new to test automation or want to start your journey with the Selenium, this tutorial is perfect for you. We will go step by step through project setup, dependency installation, browser configuration, and finally create a simple script to automate a web browser. By the end of this video, you have a working Selenium project and a solid understanding of the basic concepts needed to start building more advanced automation scripts. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Create a new project. First, we need to create a project. Click on this one, new, and then click on project. Enter project name. Enter inside this name, enter project, click on advanced, and make sure you select here Maven. Enter artifact, Selenium project, and then click on create. It will ask for you where would you like to open the project Selenium on this window or new window. Well, now click on this new window and it will open a new window. Now, project has been set up. This is the form.xml file. In this file, you can add a dependency. Now, I will show you how you can add the dependency after creating a new project. First, change this file name. We will enter here Selenium and then click on refactor. It has been changed. For adding a dependency, open Chrome browser and search Maven repository. In the one repository, you can add this WebDriver manager dependency, Chrome driver dependency. So you need to search here WebDriver manager or Chrome. I have already search this dependency, so I will just copy this one, open project and add the dependency. For adding dependency, so make sure you enter dependency in the dependency section. This is the dependency. First, here enter dependencies. Remove this one. Enter dependency here. Next thing we need to do here, we need to reload the project. You can reload project. Just click on this Maven, and here two options available: sync all Maven projects or reload all Maven projects. Click on reload and it will resolving dependency for your project. You can also refresh this one and sync all Maven projects. Dependency added successfully. You can refresh this one, reload all, and it's resolving dependency for your project. We can remove this spaces. Now I will show you how you can write a basic script in a Selenium. Open this file and remove all the code. First, enter package name. This is package form.qa. So here we will enter package form.qa, and then here import WebDriver bot.io dot github, then webdriver manager. Now add WebDriver import org dot punctuate dot selenium dot WebDriver, and then import Chrome driver. import rg dot openql selenium dot chrome and chrome driver. We have successfully defined here chrome driver and WebDriver manager. Create a class, public class, and then enter this class name. Class name is selenium dot java. Here selenium, we need to make changes here. So here we will delete this one, delete, click on delete and expand this one and create a new class. We need to create a new class inside. Click on new and then click on Java. Enter here Selenium. We have successfully create a new class. We need to import here, import io dot github dot wm from driver manager and then import rg.openqa.selenium dot WebDriver. Now import Chrome driver. This is package and you can easily create a new class. So just right click on this one and create a new Java class. Import org.openqa.selenium dot Chrome dot Chrome driver. We have successfully defined here WebDriver manager and Chrome driver. And next thing we need to do here, main method here, public static void main string and then curly brackets here. Now set up the Chrome driver. If the Chrome driver is not installed, so this service will be automatically install the Chrome driver web driver manager. WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. This service will automatically install the Chrome driver, initialize the WebDriver. For initializing WebDriver, you need to write here WebDriver driver variable name is equal to new Chrome driver. This is for initialize Chrome driver. Before opening any website, you need to maximize the window. Here we will use driver dot manage dot window dot maximize window and then navigate to the URL. Driver dot get navigate to the URL. Suppose we want to open google.com https double slash google.com and then print the title of the page. For printing the title of the page, write system.out dot print ln. This is for printing the text in a console title and the title get the title from driver dot get title. You can find the element get current URL. For now we want to get the title of the page, so here we will use driver dot get title and then quit the driver after all this action. Driver dot quit. Now we can run the test For running the test, you just need to right click here and then click on Run Selenium. Just click on Run Selenium and it will build your project. After build your project, it will run the project. As you can view here, parsing Java Selenium project. It will take some time and then run the project. You can view here using Chrome driver, Resolve driver, maximize window, navigate to the google.com, and then print this title Google in a console. I hope this tutorial help you understand the fundamentals of Selenium and how easy to get started with browser automation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss upcoming tutorials on Selenium test automation. If you have any query, just drop a message. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.